when I shot this clip, I didn't realize that I had my microphone reversed, so there is no sound. So for the first part of this video, I'm going to do voiceover. Here you're seeing me start my fall plantings. The lower row has collard greens, a variety called Old Timey Blue. The next to, on the bottom row, we have lettuce, a variety called Island of Paris. The next to that is Chinese cabbage. On the top, where you just saw me put some in, is a form of cabbage called Danish bald head. And right now I'm putting in broccoli. The variety is called Bell Star. And after that, I will be putting in a variety of mustards called Giant Southern Curl. The potting soil, or the seed starting mix rather, is something that I made up. It consists of perlite, cocoa coir, and that's it. So the seeds will go in. I put them in 3 to 4 seeds per cell, and then later on you'll see me cover them up with perlite. I started a while back. I'm covering my seeds with perlite as opposed to the seed starting mix, and it seems to work out better for me. The date of this video is August 7th, and what I'm going to do is follow the growth of the seedlings until it's time to put them into the ground. So every couple of weeks, I'll shoot a little clip and date it showing the progress of the seeds. The seeds themselves were purchased from Johnny's Seeds, from Kitazawa Seeds, from Baker Creek, and the last one is from Southern Seeds. Here you see me pouring a layer of perlite onto the seeds, as I mentioned before. I believe I started doing this after watching a video from Travis at Lazy Dog Farms, and he always has such great seedlings, so I decided to do it, and as I previously said, it's been working well for me. Okay, they are all planted and covered with perlite. The next step after this is to take them to my greenhouse and water them. My hose is connected to a bucket which has a mixture of water and AgroThrive. So every time that they get watered, they're also getting fed. which helps them get stronger and survive better. So as I said, we'll check back in a couple of weeks to see the progress of these seedlings. See you then. Well, good morning, everyone. About 10 days ago, I planted my fall vegetables, and this is just a quick update to see where they're at. And as you can see, I've had a real good germination rate, and it's probably one of the best ones that I've had. The only one that I'm not very happy with are my lettuce coming up. I only have one of the 6 cells so far, but we'll keep trying and hopefully they'll come up. We'll check back in another 10 to 14 days to see where they're at. Until then, take care. Here's another tray of fall crops that I started. We have Savoy spinach. This is a hybrid F1 spinach. This is spinach that I got from Beauty in the Garden a couple years ago. Celery, lettuce, and more lettuce. So we'll check back in 2 or 3 weeks to let you know how the progress is going with these, and hopefully they'll be going well. Stay tuned. About 3 weeks ago, I planted some of my fall crops, and I'm here to give you a glimpse of how they are growing. Okay. Here you see what I planted 3 weeks ago. The collards have come up very well. Actually, everything came up very well except for the lettuce. I only had one that came up. Looks like I have one that was eaten and another one that was eaten here. But for the most part, I'm happy with it. I'll bring you back in another couple of weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, so that you can see how they're growing and whether or not they're ready to be put into their containers. So we'll see you then. Good morning, everyone. Give you a quick update on my fall plantings. They're coming along pretty well, as you can see. Not getting too leggy or anything like that. In a couple of weeks, come back and I'm probably going to put them in the ground then. I should have my spots where I want to put them in the ground at cleaned out and ready to go. The second planting or second tray of plantings that I did, not sure if you can see them. Let's fix that for a moment. Okay, you can see this set. Okay, this set has celery, lettuce, and spinach, and it is a epic fail. The celery and the spinach and one cell of this lettuce have not come up, so I'll wait until it cools off and try it again. You get the good, the bad, and the ugly, and this is the ugly. So, but that's no problem. It's all part of learning, and we'll try it again. See you in a couple weeks. Well, good morning. It's been 6 weeks to the day since I started my seedlings, and they're ready to go into the ground. Tomorrow, I'm probably going to plant my cabbages and my broccoli, and then later on in the week I'm going to do my collard greens and my mustards and my lettuces. So Um, it's been 6 weeks of waiting patiently to do it, so I don't plant them too early. But now that they're ready, I'm looking forward to putting them in the ground. I want to thank you for going along with me for the past 6 weeks and viewing the different stages of growth. And I'll bring you along um, when I plant them into their new homes upcoming. So until then, make sure that you always remember in small spaces you can grow food to support yourself and your family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. My channel is really growing, and I appreciate all the views and subscribers that I have gotten. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload something. Make sure you hit the like button, and don't forget to share. Remember, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.